Hi, good evening. My name is Farhan Qureshi. I'm from ACE Academy. Today we are going to talk about the speaking section of Ielts exam. The speaking section of Ielts exam would remain mostly same for academic and general. So let's start with the duration of the speaking exam. The speaking exam is for the duration of 10 to 15 minutes and it is divided into three parts. Part 1 of speaking exam generally has your personal introduction and general questions. And part 2 of your speaking exam will consist of a cue card, which means there will be a topic. Along with the topic, there will be some supporting questions. And you will be given 30 seconds to 1 minute to prepare your speech, and you will have to speak for 2 minutes. And the part 3 is generally a discussion. Questions directly or indirectly related to your part 2. Whatever you have spoken in part 2, the questions would be generally related to that. So it is an overall time duration of 10 to 15 minutes. It is not that the time is segregated for part 1, part 2 and part 3, unlike writing and any other modules. So now let's start with the evaluation parameters. On what sort of evaluations do they actually mark us? As you know that the scoring is based upon the rate of 1 to 9 bands. So it's divided into four evaluation parameters. The first one is your fluency. Your fluency would be tested. The second is vocabulary. The third is grammar, and the fourth is sentence mix. So you will have to be very attentive while listening to the questions, and you'll have to respond to those. So let's start with the introduction. The introduction neither needs to be too long or too short. It has to be precise. So what we recommend our students is generally they'll have to include 6 steps of introductions, which is greeting, full name, location,